And I think good evening, everyone. I welcome you all to the India MedTech E-Summit and Awards for 2020. The very fact that we are meeting virtually, and I'm sure that in the past 6 to 8 months, most of us have been a part of many such virtual sessions, which in itself is a kind of a testament to the transforming scenario or the change situation that we all are in. We all know that the change is the only constant, and the present change has been so unrestrained and chaotic to a large extent that it has kind of reset the basic fundamentals. It has reawakened the thoughts in all of us to restart and kind of reimagine and redrawing the future course of action, the way we see it best, what benefits the organization, the ecosystem we thrive in, and the society we work in. As a sector, healthcare has been under tremendous stress because of the ongoing pandemic. So aptly, we are here to seek valuable and experienced insights in this panel discussion on medical technology trends and opportunities. Healthcare is hugely focused in urban and semi-urban geographies of this country. There's an intense need for access to technology, care and services for the vast potential areas of the country. So the quality care, especially critical care, is made available to all affordably. There's also an intense need for the right solutions, especially during pandemic. Medical technology, with medical devices being a key component of the segment, this plays a kind of a key role, key pivotal role in achieving this objective. And our thoughts, focus, energy today is all directed towards what can be the innovative tools that can be leveraged to optimize customization and access of medical technology for all. What can be the role of a startup in medical technology segment, and how can they scale up to bridge the gap and the huge demand? It was really heartening to listen to Mr. Shantanu Pathak and Mr. Parag Varshney and Mr. Abhinav Thakur and Mr. Rajinath earlier in the earlier panel, and some of the points what they made kind of fuse into what we are going to discuss today. As a matter of introduction, my name is Amit Mohan. I take care of the critical care and healthcare digital solutions business for GE Healthcare in South Asia, wherein we are responsible for saving precious lives with our critical care equipments, which would typically be your ICU ventilators, anesthesia workstations, monitoring solutions, diagnostic cardiology, maternal infant care equipments, and importantly, digital healthcare solutions such as digital operation rooms, digital ICUs and NICUs. And today I will also help in monitoring this session. Starting the proceedings, on the behalf of HEAL Health Connect Solutions in collaboration with Express Healthcare, I heartily welcome our distinguished panelists and thank them for taking out time from their busy schedule to share their rich experiences from their respective fields. I believe knowledge shared is knowledge squared. So as I introduce our luminary panelists today, we have Dr. Taslim Arif Sayed, who is the CEO at the Center of Cellular and Molecular Platforms, Department of Biotechnology, Ministry of Science and Technology, Government of India. Welcome, Dr. Sayed. We have Mr. Thomas John, who is the CMD and founder of Agape Diagnostics, a reputed virtual diagnostic manufacturing company based out of Cochin. Welcome, Mr. John. And we have Dr. Nilesh Shah with us, who is the president of Metropolis Laboratories, Mumbai. He has been one of the founding members of Metropolis Group of Laboratories. Dr. Nilesh Shah is the president and chief of science and innovation at Metropolis Healthcare Limited. Welcome, Dr. Nilesh Shah. Before I proceed any further, I would request the delegates to please keep on posting your questions in the chat window, which we'll try to take in the end, provided time permits, and Dr. Ankit will be coordinating on that. So moving on, as I said, we all are in a situation of great reset, and healthcare sector is under tremendous strain due to enormous stress. In the healthcare value chain, we have multiple stakeholders, and some of the common challenges faced by them are that of awareness, accessibility, affordability for patients, safety, security, skill upgradation, and burnout for the HCPs or healthcare professionals, patient onboarding, offboarding, scheduling, tracking staff, inventory, billing, etc. for the providers, the hospitals, and the other institutions, reimbursements and claim settlements for the payers, and then the situation is kind of all this complexity and the interwoven nature of the workflows is kind of accentuated by the ongoing pandemic further. So, Dr. Sayed, I request you to share your views on what is the current state of healthcare technology and infrastructure in India. How are we encountering the current pandemic, and what are the future exigencies so that we are prepared to take care of all the stakeholders.